Here we have set of questions on the domain of rational function, right? Now, what I'd like you to do is read all of them, select your choices, and then move on with my video and see my suggestions. Meanwhile, you can stop the video and then do the needful, okay? So let's go through these questions one by one. Question 8. Domain of rational functions. A. What is the domain of reciprocal of f of x equals to 5x plus 1? So domain means all permitted values which x can have, right? So the reciprocal of this means zeros of this are not permitted, right? So when will this function become 0? This will be 0 at minus 1 over 5, correct? So this is a line which is kind of like this, and that point is minus 1 over 5. So that point is not in the domain of reciprocal function, right? So in a reciprocal function at this point you will have a vertical asymptote, correct? So minus 1 over 5, if you convert to decimals, it will be equal to 0. Minus, of course, 0.2. So let's now look into the answer. So all real numbers except 0.2 with minus sign. So that is our answer, B, correct? So that's our answer. Let's look into this. What is the domain of reciprocal of x squared plus 1? Now x squared plus 1, let me sketch x squared plus 1 and then we'll figure out, does it have any x-intercepts? X squared plus 1 is like this. It does not have any x-intercepts, and therefore its domain will be all real numbers, correct? If you sketch it, the reciprocal will be kind of like this, right? We are assuming this value, so this should actually touch. Since it is 1, right? Plus 1. So 1 reciprocal is 1, so it should touch, right? Now the next one is, we have already written in the reciprocal form. See, what is the domain of f of x equals to 1 over x squared minus 1? So x squared minus 1, if you try to graph x squared minus 1, that is your function, right? It goes 1 unit down and it crosses the x-axis at minus 1 and plus 1. So its domain should not include plus and minus 1, correct? Because we'll have vertical asymptotes there. So the domain which will not include plus and minus 1 is this, correct? So x belongs to real number where x is not equal to plus and minus 1, correct? So that is the domain of this function, correct? So this is the fastest way, I think, to answer these questions, right? Thank you.